In this video, I'm going to teach you some Premiere Pro tutorials. So, enjoy. To download sound effect, you will need to go to MP3 Juices. Go to any YouTube music or sound effect, then copy the link of the YouTube video. Once you done that, paste the link of YouTube video on MP3 Juices, then click download it, and now you've got your sound effect or music. And to get green screen me, type 4K video downloader, enter. Once you here, find this download button, and click on it, and now you can download all those green screen me. And now, it's a time for editing tutorials. Open your video file, choose your file and drag it to assembly, then drag your video to a timeline. Press C to use razor tool. This will allow you to cut the part of video. Click to cut the part. Right click on timeline and press clear. This action will cut your video frame that you select to cut it. If you want to undo, press Ctrl Z. But to redo it, press Ctrl Shift Z. If you press clear, the video won't attach together. And to fix this, press Repl Delete. I would like you to use Repl Delete because it will be easier and faster. If you feel your video timeline is too short, press plus. But if you want to lower a timeline, press minus. To play the video, press spacebar. You can drag a timeline to select the video part. To edit, to zoom the video, press on your video line. Make sure that it is on effect control menu. See this? Drag left or right, it's belong to you. To zoom in or out, to put sound effect, go to your sound file. Choose one. I want to use this slappy sound, so I'm gonna drag it to timeline. Let's see. Perfect. And to use green screen, go select one. Drag it to timeline. But how am I going to erase this background? Easy. Go to effect menu and search for Ultra key. Once you found it, drag it to timeline. This thing will appear. Click it and click the video. Now you have successfully edited Basic X video. Congrats.